Unlock a hidden goldmine of distressed properties by mastering probate investing with Propstream. First, log into your Propstream account. We're going to use its powerful filtering capabilities to pinpoint probate properties. Navigate to the Search tab. Our goal here is to isolate properties that are currently undergoing the probate process, which often signals a motivated seller needing a fast sale. In the Filter menu, find and select the lead type category within this section. Choose the probate option. This is the crucial step that will narrow down your search to only those properties involved in probate proceedings. Now, let's refine our search further under Property Characteristics. You can input specific criteria that align with your wholesaling niche. For example, you might filter by property type, minimum bedrooms or bathrooms, or even a specific year built to focus on properties that might require renovations. Don't forget your location filters. Enter the zip codes or counties where you want to focus your wholesale efforts. This ensures you're targeting areas ripe for your specific investment strategy. Once you apply these filters, hit Search. Propstream will then present you with a list of properties matching your criteria. Look at the results. These are your potential probate leads. Click on an interesting property to view its details. Pay close attention to the owner's information and mailing address. This is where you'll find out who to contact to initiate your wholesaling outreach. Next, let's analyze the potential. Navigate to the Comps tab to view comparable sales. This data is vital for understanding the market value of the property and determining a potential offer price for your end buyer. Propstream also provides an estimated property value and equity information, which are key indicators for assessing the potential profit margin for your wholesale deals. Once you've identified a promising lead and analyzed its value, you're ready to take action. Use Propstream's integrated skip tracing feature to obtain contact information for the owner. Finally, for easy organization, use the Add to List function to save your curated probate leads for future follow-up and outreach, allowing you to build a targeted portfolio for your wholesaling business.